What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now though that the Qualcomm has launched its newest flagship processor, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus, let's find out, is this processor, how better is this from the current flagship processor, which is the Snapdragon 888. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Help us reaching out to our 1000 subscribers goal. So let's get started. So Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 was the flagship processor for the first half of the 2021, and now that we are in the second half of the 2021, so now we have the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. Now this processor is mainly focused for the gaming phones, around the gaming centric phones, and this is the processor to go for that flagship gaming experience. Now if we talk about and compare this smart processor with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, then it has increased with the Qualcomm's Kryo 680 CPU Prime, and it is clock speed of over 3 GHz, and it's approximately 2.996 GHz to be exact, and it's having the 6th generation of the Qualcomm AI engine, and it can top up to 32 TOPS AI performances. Now in comparison with the Snapdragon 888, then it is more than 20% improvement in just a 6 months of generation gap. Now not only that, the AI performance has been increased very much with this latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus, and the higher clock speeds at 3 GHz is the major advantage over the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. Now this is the 5G processor, as we all know from the Snapdragon 888, and it's based on the same 5nm per chipset, and the other specifications of this chipsets are pretty close and the same as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. The AI engine is however the same and with the Hexagon 780, but it gives it up to a 20% of better performance from the Snapdragon 888. The Snapdragon 860 is there for the 5G modem, and also the sub 6 millimeter waves and everything is present over that, with the upspeed of maximum up to 7.5 Gbps down and the 3 Gbps uplink. Now it also comes with the Wi-Fi 6E and the Bluetooth 5.2, which was the same as the 888, and the display resolution maximum support is also up to the same with the QHD plus resolution with a higher refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Not only that, 4K at 60 Hz, and also the HDR10 plus content support with a 10-bit color. Now LPDDR5 RAM is also supportable in this processor with up to 3200 MHz and maximum up to 16 GB of RAM. The ISP is also the same for the Snapdragon 888 Plus with a 14-bit of Spectra 580 and a 4K video at up to 120 FPS and 8K at 30 FPS. So what do you think about this Snapdragon 888? And the mythology which it follows is that if it ain't broke, then don't fix it. So Qualcomm has gone a simpler way with this, just with the higher CPU core performances and also the AI performance of the engine. So what do you think about this processor? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.